We are joined by ACMA's president, Mr. Sunjay Kapur. Sir, thanks for speaking with ET now. Sir, with the current tensions between Russia and Ukraine, can we fear another shortage of chips and semiconductors? And also, are the rising crude prices going to affect demand of automobiles and components in the long run?
We have seen conflict and we have seen some delay in coming back to where we wanted to be in terms of semiconductors. With the conflict that's on currently, I can't predict what will happen, as I don't know how long the conflict will last. Currently, the neon gas supply comes from Ukraine, palladium and nickel comes from Russia. We've seen some slowdown in terms of what the semiconductors output can be because of this. Currently, what I'm given to believe is that semiconductor industry or the manufacturers have sufficient neon gas with them. If this were to run out because the conflict lasts longer, I won't be able to predict what the future of the semiconductor industry would look like at this point in time.
Sir, the constraints on raw material and the supply chain considerations, would they be resolved, and how would they, of course, be looked at after the PLI scheme for auto components has come in, which, of course, intends to be a shot in the arm for the industry. But how is the industry looking at raw material constraints or supply chain constraints?
So supply chain constraints definitely, are the headwinds that we're facing. The good thing is, or the positive thing is, we have a lot of demand, and we're strong on demand, so which is extremely encouraging for the industry. The PLI scheme is extremely encouraging in that it allows companies or encourages companies to invest in the future, in future technologies, not just for export but also for deep localization. So these are great benefits for the industry, and we're grateful to the government for announcing the PLI scheme. 75 companies in the auto component space have been approved, of which 47 companies are ACMA members, and the remainder are joint venture partners with ACMA members. So it's definitely, a step in the right direction. The challenges that we face, the headwinds that we face, and we're a resilient industry. We're used to, challenges. We'll overcome these challenges.
One final question. What is the growth outlook for the industry? Because as you said during the interaction that we have opened up, we are meeting everyone and everything is slowly getting back to a semblance of normalcy after 2 years. What is the growth outlook in the near future?
So we've had a very positive outlook or a positive growth in the first half of the year. We had 65% growth in domestic market, 76% growth in the export market, and 25% growth in the aftermarket in the first half of the year. The demand, once again, is strong, looks strong. Now it really depends on the supply side. If we're able to meet supply, we'll see good growth. If we're not able to meet supply due to constraints of supply chain, whether they be chip shortage, raw material price increases, container shortages, logistics costs, we will see some, we will see challenges. However, the positive thing is that demand is strong.
Thanks for speaking with ET now.